Hello, I'm Ryan Marks, RenewAire's R&D and New Products Manager. In this video, we will go over the basic requirements for attaching the HE+DX Coil module to our HE line of ERVs. We will cover four main topics: orientation, structural support, controls, and maintenance access. For demonstration purposes, we have an HE10 indoor energy recovery ventilator with an HE+DX coil module accessory already installed on the unit. First, let's talk about orientation. It is important to locate the coil downstream of the air supply and off the HE series cabinet. Follow markings on the coil module to ensure the airflow orientation mirrors the supply discharge paths. Also, make sure the condensate line is at the bottom of the unit and both the liquid and suction line are accessible. It is also desirable that the coil is slightly pitched towards the condensate discharge because the built-in condensate pan is not sloped. This is a good time to mention that all coils come pre-charged with dry nitrogen. Now let's move on to the structural support of this option. These coil modules are relatively heavy, upwards of 100 pounds in some scenarios. It is important to structurally support the coil module as opposed to relying solely on the ductwork to support the coil in place. This can be accomplished by hanging the coil via duct hangers or placing the coil on a solid surface or base during installation, as we have shown. We will now discuss controls. For applications with premium controls, the 131-318 condition air sensor kit is required and should be mounted downstream of the coil module. As a rule of thumb, install the sensor at least 3 duct diameters downstream from the coil module. Finally, access is critical for maintenance. The coil must have both upstream and downstream access via the ductwork. This is critical for routine maintenance such as cleaning the coil face as well as the condensate pan. Following these basic guidelines will help ensure your coil module has a long and effective life. For more questions, please contact our technical sales support team at 1-800-627-4499.